What if I told you there's a retirement account the wealthy use, but hardly anyone talks about? Hit like and subscribe. Today I'll show you why a Roth IRA is America's best retirement hack. Retirement feels far away, but every dollar you save now works like an employee for your future. A Roth IRA lets you invest after-tax dollars today, so future withdrawals are 100% tax-free. Imagine never owing the IRS on your investment gains again. That's the Roth IRA promise. Invest $500 a month at 25, and by 65 you could retire with over $1 million tax-free. A normal account drains you with taxes. Roth IRA keeps your growth untouched forever. Pay taxes today, enjoy tax-free money tomorrow. That's the genius of Roth IRA. Once you turn 59 and a half, every withdrawal is yours to keep, no strings attached. Your gains, dividends, profits, all tax-free in retirement. The IRS gets nothing. A Roth IRA is the smartest shelter for your money, your best defense against future taxes. 401ks force withdrawals at 73. Roth IRAs let your money grow as long as you want. Many believe they'll be in a lower tax bracket later. But history shows taxes only rise. A Roth IRA locks in today's tax rate and shields you from tomorrow's increases. Over decades, compounding turns small deposits into massive wealth. Warren Buffett calls compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Roth IRAs give you freedom to invest in stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Unlike savings accounts, Roth IRAs actually grow your money meaningfully. Compounding tax-free is like running a marathon without weights holding you down. Contribution limits in 2025 are $7,000 a year, or $583 a month. If you're 50 or older, you get catch-up contributions, extra money in tax-free growth. Small deposits compound into big results. Waiting just costs you freedom. Start at 25, over $1.1 million. Start at 35, less than half that. Time is everything. Your contributions can be withdrawn anytime, no penalties, no stress. Growth stays locked till 59 and a half, but your deposits are always yours. Emergencies happen. Roth IRA gives you flexibility when life hits hard. Buying your first home? You can use up to $10,000 of growth penalty-free. College costs? Roth IRA can help too, without big penalties. Roth IRA isn't just retirement, it's a life tool for security and opportunity. So why doesn't everyone have one? Simple, schools never teach this stuff. Advisors push high-fee products instead of teaching Roth IRA basics. Roth IRAs have no commissions, no hidden fees. You're in full control. You can open one today at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab in just minutes. The hardest part is starting. Once you do, the system works for you. Automate monthly deposits, forget about it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Future you will thank your younger self for making this smart choice today. Others will stress about taxes. You'll sip coffee knowing your money is safe. Peace of mind is priceless, and Roth IRA gives exactly that. The earlier you start, the bigger your freedom later. Don't wait. Every dollar you invest now multiplies for your future self. Think of Roth IRA as your personal tax-free money machine. Your retirement shouldn't depend on government tax rates. Roth IRA gives you freedom, control, and certainty. The question is, will you take advantage, or wait until it's too late? Time will pass anyway. The choice is yours, act now or regret later. What would you do with an extra $1 million tax-free in retirement? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share. Your future self will thank you.